Hey, so I'm using these little plaquers as like a little shim so I could put these screws in. So I'll show you what I did. I just stuck them in the hole. So when I screw it in, you just take this piece, stick it in there, and then I'm coming around with my little cutters, and hopefully you can see that. Just cutting it. It works so much better with two hands, by the way. There you go. Yeah, so they're like little shims. See? So I guess now we're gonna see, is this actually gonna work? Is this actually gonna work? I'm just gonna hand tighten these. I'm not gonna use my drill or my driver because this is a jewelry box. I'm not trying to blow them out or anything. Oh. Looks like it's working. Cool. I didn't want to have to buy like another, sorry, I saw this thing in my mouth. I didn't want to have to buy another deal for these, because if you can try and save original pieces, I think it's more ideal to do that, and then rather than spend more money. By the way, the funny story, my dad used to use these little placard things all the time. All right, let's see. So I just removed all the little shims out of the way so we could see if it's gonna work. Ooh. And look at that. Hey, I just saved us like 10 bucks. I gotta find another screw for this though, but I'm sure I have one laying around the garage. Anyways, love you, bye.